Yeah, holy fucking shit. Things kicked into overdrive, and now we have an exact, like a 50-50 mixture of frozen rain and liquid rain coming down at once. However, the temperature outside has actually dropped pretty dramatically. And so basically what we're right on the border of a thunderstorm and a snowstorm at the same time. Snow to our north and thunderstorm to our south. And that's hitting right where we are and freezing. We're caught right in the middle of it. And it's producing this. So that's, wow, look at that. That is absolutely incredible. But even more incredible than that is that I found out that my camera has got a fucking wicked ass zoom on it. Check this shit out. This is like a block down from my house. And I can still get into the tiny details of the ice and stuff on those branches. Let me zoom back out to show you how far away that is. That is 1 block away from my house, and I can zoom in that far. That means that I could probably get a pretty good shot of some of my neighbors fucking at one point. So anyway, yeah, well, let me give you one more shot of that. That's incredible. I know there's not a lot to compare to size-wise, but that's, oh geez, that's a good, I don't know, 1.5 inches of ice in diameter.